Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. So as I was saying before, they should have a serious talk with the packaging people, because this is probably the worst packaged thing that I've ever had. And guess what? There's another one of these ridiculous screws on the bottom of the tank. Let's hope that this one is not a horrible one. And it looks like this one might actually unscrew okay. We'll see. It's kind of unscrewing. Come on, come on. I know you want to keep the children out, but you're messing with the man children. Here we go. There we go. So this is where you would plug in your battery here. I haven't charged it yet, but it should have some charge, so I guess I'll do that later. But yeah, I'm not a fan of the packaging. Maybe you are.
Likey.